guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a review on Fashion Nova swimming suits. I believe I got 3, and then I did get one from Becca, and I really like Becca because I had tried them before and I love them. Okay, so with no further ado, here we go. The first one that I am going to be talking about is the Beccas swimming suit. It is in olive green, I believe. It has, it's one piece, and it has a bikini bottom. In the back, it covers your booty, but on the side, it does give you the little see-through, sexy vibe looking. And then it seems like there is a belt that goes right across from it. You can add a belt if you want to, but I think the swimming suit looks good how it is. The original price on it, I believe, is $198. But I got this one at Macy's for $70.80, and then when I went to go check out, I got an additional 25% off because I used my Macy's card. So I believe I ended up paying $40, almost $50 for it. So it was a really good deal. So let's jump into the Fashion Nova swimming suit. The first one, it is so cute. It is called Zoe Tie Front Bikini set. I got this in a medium. It was $34.99. I love this. It's got for sure the swimming suit material, and it is extra thick. It is stretchable, and it is just so cute that it ties in the front, and the bottom is like a bikini and it covers your booty. So that's what I really liked about it, was this whole piece is just really cute. The second one is also in white, and this one has lines going up and down. The material is thinner than the other one, and this one, it's more like almost a cheeky or a thong. I didn't like this one as much because this one, the sides are raised a little bit higher, and I have a very big bottom, so it did not work for me. The top was really small. I almost didn't fit into it, and I should have gotten a size up, but me thinking, I'm gonna be losing some weight, let me just get a small. And no, I regret it. If I would have had to do it again, I will order a medium. Then last but not least, the black one. I love this one. This one is really cute. It's got like the bra top. It's attached in the front, and then it is got the sexy underwear here. The sides are just strings. I love that. But like I said, I do need to lose a little weight before I can wear it and make it look good and all that good stuff. But the top, there is an insert that you can take out if you don't want the extra padding. You can take out the padding. So that is all that I have for you guys. I am so sorry that it is really short, but I just wanted to get it out there so that you guys can still purchase them. I believe I purchased these 2 weeks ago, so you can go on the Fashion Nova website to see if they are still available. And one last thing is I will be giving away the white striped one. It is the cheeky one. I said that I did not like that much because it didn't fit me. It is in a size small. So why don't you guys that want to win it enter yourself in with the comment below stating where you would wear this swimming suit to, and I hope you win. Till next time, I will see you guys. Bye.